everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. And today, in this video, we are fixing a bunch of little stuff. First, we're going to be fixing these pull-string pigs. Oh, now they're not going in at all.
Yeah, won't even go back in, huh?
But yeah, so you pull them out and they go back in. The problem before was it wouldn't pull out all the way, but now they're not going in either.
Mm-hmm.
I've had those since we lived where?
In Germany. We got those in Germany when you were a baby.
And we're fixing this tape measure.
Tape measure, the end of it busted off.
And then we're fixing this little airplane that Daddy got.
Airplane, yeah. The wheels are probably just glue it back down or something. And Dilbert.
That's going to be in a separate video.
Yeah, maybe. Unless these go really fast. We'll see.
Yeah, but...
So for this one, only one side comes off, and it's going to be this side.
So Dilbert is just going to rest up here.
Let me see. So get this side. Oh, that was easy. Popped right off.
You already got it apart?
Well, I got the end off.
Oh my god.
Now I got to pull this piece out. This is the little gearbox. If I can get a hold of it.
It's a little creepy.
Let's see if it'll just pull out. No, not quite. There's some stuff in the way.
Glued in there last time.
Yeah, there's a little bit of...
Well, you said you had to fix these before, didn't you?
Yeah, when we first got it, they pulled out and didn't go back in, so I had to fix it. Yeah, I put it back together with silicone, it looks like. So.
I have a book. It's got a bunch of pull tabs and
Hippo. Use a string to pull it out.
Hippo.
Break it.
Hula hippo.
Where's that book from?
We got it from Sam's Club.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
So we've had that one for a while, because we haven't been to Sam's Club in a long time.
Huh?
We haven't been to Sam's Club in a long time, so we must have had that one for a while now.
Yeah, I've had it for a couple years.
Oh, really?
Remember, we thought this one was broken when we first got it, so we went to grab another one, but it did the same thing. This was tap fixing.
They definitely got it in there tight.
I think it's weird that the beaver is doing the chicken dance instead of the actual chicken.
Maybe he's doing beaver dance. It's just very, very, very similar.
Looks like he's doing a chicken dance. Mm-hmm. And then look at this at the end. It's got one of these pull tab things.
Oh, yeah.
Wow!
Pop-up book.
See?
There.
So this one's actually... Ooh, it's got like gears on it.
Yeah, it's a little tiny gearbox.
That's cool. Can I look at it?
See? You can tell it's got a couple little gears in there. It's got to pop it apart and see what's... Don't pull on it, it's strings. Pop this in half.
Imagine once we get it working and...
Slowly.
And imagine when we get it working and like pull it and then it... But then it's Woody. It's Woody's voice box. It's Woody's pull-string box. Mm-hmm. And it says, "There's a snake in my boot."
There it is.
Ah!
So there's the little gears.
Whoa. Can I try?
Oh, I'm trying to hold it together. It's probably have to put this side on it at least to hold those gears in place. That little tab kind of broke off.
The nose is called H. Without its H, it's just an og.
Mm-hmm.
He's gonna eat Dilbert's tie.
This way.
I wonder why.
There.
Oh. So why?
Yeah, it pulls all the way back in.
Here,
I
can
might
I
wrap
try
it
that?
one more time. Hold on. One sec.
I think it's weird that, like, what'd you do though? Like, what'd you do?
The string was kind of like doubled up in there. It was wrapped around this little piece. There's a little tiny piece of plastic. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, little tiny piece of plastic. It was up on here. See how there's one's kind of busted off. That was inside there. I think the string was kind of wrapped around. But what I'll do is wrap the string around this circle one more time.
And then
It'll,
gotta glue it together.
Yep.
That'll probably be the longest part.
there, if I do that. This is the part that makes it vibrate. See how, watch that thing spin. I should be able to see
Why does
it.
it vibrate though?
Oh.
You broke it!
Oh, because it's, there we go. I wasn't holding it together. See that little thing spin? You see that?
Why is it spin so it'll vibrate? Why is it vibrate?
Well,
Is that
because
what
it's off-centered. Yeah, so that's what makes the vibration sound. So I need to
But
wrap
why
this.
does it vibrate? Is that just so it'll go slowly?
No, I guess that's just what it does, I guess. They have it vibrate. All right, so
Since it's not taking long, I kind of want to see what happens when we take that piece off.
it just sucks it back in. It doesn't do anything. So it's together good.
So can I try now?
I have to kind of hold that together, so squeeze it tight so it doesn't come apart. All this stuff will be fine.
Yeah, that's good.
And this part doesn't even glue together. We just stick it back in.
They have those exact same little slow retract vibrating pull string things on Etsy. Have those exact same things on Etsy.
Oh, these ones?
Not the pigs, just the pull string thing.
Oh, yeah. So that one's like that. So
Make your
it's
own
going to be
pull
like
string
that.
toy. Just one
So it
hog.
goes this way.
I'm a hog. Or, he's an og. Now he's a hog. My nose!
Alright, so we just gotta
Just gotta.
put a touch of glue on his nose. Make sure
And don't
his
we have to glue
nostrils
it
are
in?
up.
Do we have to glue it inside?
No.
No?
No, that piece just sits in there. The nose is glued on.
I thought
That's what holds it.
you said it was being held in by silicone.
Well, I had used silicone on it last time instead of glue, which I probably could do this time. Well, give me my silicone, please.
Silicone.
That way, in case it ever falls apart, it'll be easier to get apart
Let's
again.
go to silicone. Silicone. Where is the silicone?
In that drawer,
Which drawer?
the one to your right,
This one?
to your right.
This one?
Yep,
Is this the silicone?
I think so. Yep.
This?
Yep.
I want to make like a Play-Doh sculpture, and then put it. I let it dry out, and then put it into clay, and then pour silicone into the mold, and then you could have like a rubbery, squishy type thing. I really want to
Dry
do that.
stuff in the edge.
I have a question. Do they sell silicone at Silicon?
I don't know what silicone is. Go get me a
It's a convention.
paper towel, please.
Pepper Tower.
Just one.
I said Pepper Tower. What's a Pepper Tower? Achoo!
I'm just digging some out with a toothpick and putting it on
Just
like
digging
that.
some, dabbing some out.
Yeah.
Can we make a squishy out or a toy out of silicone? I really want to try that.
It wouldn't be a squishy, but it would be rubber.
That's even better.
You would need some sort of mold or something to put it in, which we don't have any
Yeah,
molds.
that's what I was thinking. I can maybe make something out of like clay, like air dry clay or Play-Doh, and then put it into a mold and make something out of clay, and then put the clay sculpture into a clay mold.
Yeah, maybe.
And
There we go.
I don't know if that would work. And then take that out and then pour the silicone in and then paint it. Can you paint silicone?
I don't know. Never tried to.
I want to do that. Maybe sometime this week we can try.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on this week.
Maybe on a night like
There.
this where we don't really have anything to do, instead of doing repairs, watch AFV or.
I got stuff to do. I'm just not doing it tonight.
Maybe after this, if we have time, even after the Dilbert, maybe we can at least test it to see if it's even possible to make a squishy out of silicone or a toy out of silicone. Because I would rather try it in a smaller portion first, so that way we don't have to use as much silicone. Instead of just going right in and use a bunch of silicone that we could use for stuff like this. That's the thing, we would probably have to.
The tubes of silicone last for a long time. I had a tube for probably 30 years before I finally used it all.
I know, but
It's not going to be quite big enough.
could you make something this tall?
Nope, it's not going to work.
Could you?
Hold on, bud. I'm trying to do this while you're asking questions. Can't look. I'm just going to have to use it itself to hold it on. That should dry, but it's silicone, so it's going to take a while. So that one's done. What do you want to know?
If it was possible to make something out of silicone, would there be enough in a tube to make something like this tall?
No. That's bigger than what the tube is.
That's what I was saying. It would probably not be enough.
It doesn't expand, no.
Probably have to buy
All
a
right.
whole tube just for that.
Yeah.
We've taken that apart before.
Yeah, is this the same one?
Yeah. That's why
The
I said
spring
we've
got
taken
messed
that
up in?
apart before. I don't remember what was wrong with it that time. Or actually,
The spring unsprung.
yeah, I don't think we took it apart. I think it just fell apart one time. It like sprung open. Well, opened up and this spring unsprung. Sprung unsprung. Glued it really good last time.
I didn't glue it. It just snaps together.
No, you glued it.
Didn't it?
So
Oh yeah, because it was falling apart.
yeah, that's why it unsprung, was because it burst open. So once we get that glue part, we'll have to make sure it doesn't pop open.
Try not to stab my finger.
Yeah, and try not to do that.
I've done that too many times before.
On the repair video?
No, just in my life.
That's life. Door.
Drawer.
Drawer. Oh.
If you open a drawer, you close it when you're done, just like a door.
That's because I
You struggle with that.
Huh?
You struggle with that, don't you?
That's because when I showed it to you, you couldn't tell if it was what you were looking for, and then I came over to show you it was, and I just didn't go back to close it. And I didn't close it because I needed to get back in.
Yeah, this is where I put that glue, so it does not want to come back open. That's going to be the difficult part of this, huh?
Just trying to get it apart.
Getting it apart because it was super glued.
I guess you glued it really well.
I just glued it on this back side, but it is not coming off. Just not supposed to. That's what the glue's for. That didn't help much at all. Go give me that box cutter knife. Leave the cover on it, please.
I do know what that is.
Did you close that door?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Here, can I see that just real quick?
No.
With the cover.
I'm using it. I'm going to be using it. Try and cut through that glue. Yeah, it's definitely that glue really sunk down in there when we glued it that last time.
Maybe that's why I was getting so tight when I would pull it.
No, it's
Glue got
it was
in
just,
the spinning part.
oh no, that would have been the very next day it would have moved. Screwdriver, try to spread it apart. There we go. Oh, come on, stay in there. There you go.
Little did we know that this was the hardest repair of the night. Well, the repair itself probably won't be that hard.
Yeah, it's just getting it open.
I think it's ever been this tricky to get one apart.
Well, no, 'cause we hadn't super glued anything before, I guess. Normally I would just throw this away because it's only worth about $1. And we got plenty of them. But.
But I don't know what happens.
Yeah, I imagine.
We have more than one of those?
Yeah, we got some red ones.
Where?
I see it cutting right there.
Where are they?
I'm not sure. I just know we have some.
I don't know.
These are for like measuring your waist or something like that. They're not like regular measuring tapes. So I don't really use them a whole lot. I think Mama uses one for her craft and stuff.
I know Mommy has one with her in her drawers. I remember I always used to think that it was Baby Bell cheese because it was round and it was red.
Yeah. Glue is stronger than the plastic of this thing. So the glue is staying and the plastic is starting to split.
What? Oh no!
See? A little split right there. I don't know if it's going to come apart. I wonder if...
Oh, it's coming apart.
No, it's not.
It's starting to open.
No, it's only opening on one side.
Still better than not moving at all.
So, I wonder if I can get hold of the edge of it. Ah, there it is. There's the part that busted.
Then you push the button.
It's gonna bring it all. Yeah, see, it won't bring it all the way back in. We gotta get it open to wrap
You
it
just have to
around
hold
one
the
extra
button.
time. No, see?
It was going all the
Well,
way
it
down.
probably went around. It has to be like spun. One more round. If I can do that, and then get a hold of the edge, then we don't have to get it all the way apart, maybe. But what are the chances of getting that to go back in that way? Yeah, see it going like this, and it'll wrap itself. Get it to come back in. spin. Maybe.
Even before I'm not sure why, it was sometimes having a little bit of trouble pulling out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know why that would have
Maybe
been.
it was just tight in there, or twisted up maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe there was
Still don't know.
a piece of glue in there.
No. Glue would, if there was super glue on there, it wouldn't move at all.
I was saying like a little piece of super glue that fell off and got stuck on the inside. Kind of like what happened with the pigs, like something like got jammed.
Where'd the end piece go? Yeah, it should be coming back around. There it is. Oh man.
Maybe we should have done this one last.
Alright, let's see if this works. That should work. Now we're just gonna leave it out.
I thought you had to take it apart all the way.
No, couldn't get it apart all the way, so you gotta adapt. Things don't work the way you want to do it the first time.
Wait, why did you again have to take it apart?
So I could get to this end piece,
Oh yeah.
but I was able to get to it and
Yeah, because it went inside.
get it spun.
The only thing stopping it from going in all the way is the little white piece.
Mm-hmm. So now if I get this old part off of here, because all it was wrapped around this and glued. I gotta get the old part off. Come on. Can't get a hold of it enough. Get it off there.
Sorry guys, we're not a whole lot of commentary, but I'm playing with this.
Well, and do some commentary.
No commentary right now.
We're supposed to be talking.
Eli is playing with this thing.
There we go. Off of that side.
Yay!
What are you playing with? Oh, that book. Oh, come on.
Look, he's playing rock, paper, scissors. Rock.
There. All right. So now, just gotta put this through here. I need it to go in. Doesn't want to come through. There. That part's through. Kind of rather do it the other way, huh? Go like this. Yeah. Do it this way. Like that.
Thankfully, there's no soldering need to be done in this video.
Why? My soldering iron works.
I know, it's quicker when we don't have to solder sometimes.
Yeah. There she is.
Unless if we have to solder something on the plane.
Hmm? Oh. The little plane? No. That's just plastic. Probably have to glue something. Would be my guess, but this glue does not like to open. Okay. I just need to put a little touch. Glue right here. That's enough. And just like that. It is glued.
Got it?
Yep, so that one's glued.
Where'd the piece you have to cut off go?
I didn't cut any off.
I thought you
Oh,
had
it's,
to cut some of the paper.
yeah, just little bits like that. So we'll leave that set so it can dry. Just back on loosely, just in case we need to use it again. Fit it all back on for the plane. That glue don't like to stand up. Keep that little paper towels. Put it on the table. All right, and the aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Yes, I fixed it.
What?
See how this hand right here, or this feather, I guess I should say,
Mm-hmm.
is behind that
Yeah.
that part got stuck in
Ah,
front of that part, and it caused it all to jam.
I see. Alright, so there's this little thing. So this, oops, nose fell off.
There's a nose?
Yeah, this part.
Can I see this?
Oh, that goes, that's like a canopy. Yes. Must have went like this. Something.
It's an airplane.
So
It
this
went right here.
piece- Yeah.
See, it's this piece right here.
So why is this up in the air then? I wonder if that was glued down. So it like clips under there. And nothing. So it's supposed to be stay like this. But it does that. Pushes up into it. So I don't know if there was a piece in there that fell out. Or
Well, she might have gotten it used.
well, I'm sure it was used, but probably just
Maybe it was in that little bag of cards that she had.
probably just had a little tiny bit of glue or something. It's gonna be fun to glue because you get just a tiny little bit of glue on those gears and it will not work. But we're gonna try it anyway. Back wheels go in like that. So I'll put maybe just a touch of glue, maybe on this flat part right here. Maybe that'll be enough to hold them down. I can't put any right by the wheels, otherwise they'll get on the gear and glue the gear closed probably. That would not be good. So I need, here, let's do this. Do it over that paper towel so I don't get glue on the table. Put a tiny little spot of glue. On this edge.
Yeah. Yeah.
I still don't know if that's going to be. There we go. There it wasn't all the way in. There we go. Now this little clamp will work. Yes. Clamp that in there and that'll be good. That's it, bud.
That's it.
That's it for these ones. Unless you want to keep going and do Dilbert.
Okay, well, we'll see you guys next time for the Dilbert video.
Want to do him on a separate one?
Yeah, so I'm going to do that one separately.
Okay.
Okay.